Hey guys, back with another video. And if you see my last video, you guys were surprised about my new car that I just got, right? A Ford Fiesta Silver, and I was going to show you how to fix it before and after. But guess what? Today you're in a better surprise. Why? Because I got a new car. All right, ready to see it? Check it out. Boom. You guys like it or what? You think it's a badass car? Another Ford Fiesta in black. It's all broken up. Another junk car. But guess what? I'm going to fix it. I'm going to show you guys how it looks afterwards, right? Super cool, excited. No good cars. I hope so. We're here checking it out. See how broken it is? You see how the windshield is broken? I actually been driving it like this for the whole day right now, right? Obviously, I'm gonna go fix it right now, so you can see a little video afterwards. But just make a quick tour of the video, quick tour of the car. You guys can see the damage and condition of it, right? Complete junkyard card, but I'm right here. I'm about to fix it for you guys, so you guys can see it look good before and after, right? Very cool. Now the wheels. Now this is actually a little bit better than how it was already. Originally I bought it. Look the shape. Overall it's pretty good. Everything's good. All the wheels are good. The side body is good. The obviously the rear mirrors are the side mirrors are broken. The fenders are broken. We got this wheel. The thing what I fixed. I'm gonna show you guys right now. They fixed it. The wheel. You seen the other Ford Fiesta? You seen the other Ford Fiesta? The wheel was a little bit back to towards the fender. When on this one, that the wheel didn't actually turn as you turned the steering wheel, right? So the wheels weren't turn. So the wheel didn't turn when you turn the steering wheel, right? So you had to fix that little part. The wheel was completely off. It didn't turn at all. But we managed to fix it. I called a mechanic. He managed to fix it. And I can make a video about that if you guys want to know how I actually fix it. You can ask me. But the axle was broken and some other, not the axle, but some other two parts were broken, and that's why it didn't function. So they got that fixed. So now it's actually being able to drive, because if not, I would have to get a tow truck, right? But so far, so good. It's all good. Even open the trunk. Oh, check it out, all the dust, right? I just got it from the junkyard, got it delivered. So it's super cool. Everything's dusty. We gotta clean it, obviously, but everything seems to be intact. Now this, I'm gonna show you before and after picture. They actually pulled out the frame a little bit, so it's all good because it was all dented in, right? So they managed to actually pull it out, and now pull it out so the hood could latch, and I could put the fender at the light, because this was actually synced in, right? So that's improvement. It's already a couple improvements already, because I couldn't drive it. And it was dented, right? It was already in. So they pulled it out. Now I got the radiator right there hanging. I gotta fix that bracket. We're gonna get that done. We're gonna buy a part. They sell it separate. I was gonna go to the junkyard, which I still am. So we're gonna go take a trip to the junkyard afterwards and get a couple of parts, right? But to continue with the tour, you see the glass is all broken. We're gonna get that fixed right now. We're gonna open up the door. That's the fender is hitting it. And we see all the remainder of the glass, right? We see the rear mirror. We see what we got right here. Another part of who knows what it is. But everything seems to be solid and seems to be in good condition, right? Just needs to be a little cleanup. As we see, we got the bumper right here. It seems to be no, it's broken bumper. We got the grill at least, so we can save some money. And we got the headlight, obviously, right here. So cool. There we go. We got the headlight right there. Broken headlight. Well, at least we got all parts. So at least we got all parts. So then obviously we could at least you do the body work, right? Because if we don't do the body work, then obviously that we don't know the structure of the car, right? So we need the parts to actually do a body work. That's why it's always best if you actually get the parts and then frame it, work on the frame, so that all the body can actually be squared up, right? So remember that. Don't start doing frame work without the body parts, because it's not going to be aligned properly. With the parts, then you can align it, put every single metal bracket, put every single tab, and everything will be solid, right? So at least we got all that just to make sure. But obviously we have to get the actual parts. So you guys can see, pretty nice car overall. We're gonna start the car together to see how it runs, and it's been running so good, all right? So even though you think it's a junkyard car, even you think everything's broken, it's still fixable, and I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna show you before and after picture, right? So it's so cool. So let's go start off the car. I mean, it's not that much. Like I said, you fix the fenders, right here, you put a bumper, and we're good to go. The hood, maybe we could pop it up, or maybe we could change the hood, but it seems solid on all sides right there. Seems solid on this side. You go over here, the light, and it's all good. You see what I mean? You just gotta get the fender, put the bracket right there. You can actually roll the bottom part, but I'm gonna change the whole radiator bracket to actually support it, because if not, it's gonna be a little whatever job, and we don't want a regular job, right? It's gonna fall off, or it's gonna have some problems. So it doesn't seem to be overheating. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just get the radiator bracket, and we're gonna put it right there, right? Check it out. It seems to be solid. The wheel is actually turning. You can't see the parts right there, but you can see a close-up look. This side, you see a close-up look right there. As you can see, the black one, that's the part we changed. That's the one that functions the wheel. So it'll be able to move the steering wheel, right? So little things, little fixer-uppers, doesn't cost much. Been saving money, and obviously today we're gonna get the windshield fixed, right? So let's go get that done. Another thing to know, check it out, the glass. It's all broken. It all fell down from the windshield, obviously, because I mean everything was actually on the windshield. The only thing is that when it got delivered to my house, because this car did get delivered, I didn't go pick it up. So the windshield, I guess it broke. You know, it was raining super hard. I guess with the wind, it just broke, and all everything fell inside, right? So it might be a hazard driving around with a broken window. So they decided to probably just break it. Who knows? I'm not sure. I didn't ask them. But the good thing is that we're gonna pay for the window, and it's only gonna cost us less than $200, right? Super cool. As you can see right here, it's an automatic. Very nice. We got the same cluster, the same everything as the other car, so everything works good. We got that. The only difference is that we got roll-up windows on this one. Crazy roll-up windows, but they all seem to work. We don't need to get a different part or motor for it. Everything's good. Same thing in the back. Seats seem to be in good condition. All it needs is a good detail job, right? A good cleaning job, which we're gonna do. Which I also I'm gonna show you a video, because I mean, even though they're black seats, it's all full of dust, right? So it's gonna be a good video showing you guys a good before and after on a salvage junkyard car, right? So that seems to be cool. Hopefully you guys like it. We got the airbags. We got the airbags right here. We got the airbags right here. Obviously deployed it. We could obviously change that part, remove it, and get a new part, right? So subscribe, hit the like button if you guys want to see. So subscribe, hit the like button if you guys want to see. Today, we're gonna start the car, and you guys can see right there, bam! Pretty cool, right? Look at that, 80,000 miles, pretty dope. We got the lights right there, pretty cool. Everything's knocking, crazy knocking, no check engine light, and we got gasoline, super awesome, right? Cool. And we gotta change both mouthwash. That's funny. Alrighty, cool. So if you guys want to see more videos, subscribe, hit the like button. We're gonna take this for a joyride. So watch my next video. We're gonna go pick up money from the bank, and so we can get it fixed. All right? Cool.